Hibernation. Who wouldn't want to sleep until spring? Some wildlife rely on the benefits of hibernation during lean times to conserve energy and survive long periods without food. While this might be good for wildlife, it's rarely beneficial for motor vehicles. With the shift to working remotely and reduction in driven miles, your customer may be tempted to put one of their vehicles into hibernation for the short term. Today we'll cover 5 aspects of hibernation that adversely affect vehicles and what you can do to help your customers keep their cars in top condition. Battery. With today's vehicles constantly drawing power to their modules, a battery can quickly be drained. Without the power cycling that occurs during normal driving, the battery will lose its charge and can experience sulfating. A sulfated battery may not be brought back to life with a charge. Now your customer is looking at an unneeded tow and a battery potentially costing him several $100s. Rodents. While they can be pretty cute to some, these furry little friends can wreak havoc on a car's electrical system and interior by chewing through the insulation and seat covers. Additionally, they build nests along with storing up food that could create a whole host of other issues. Tires. Like any other component, tires need regular attention. Air loss is one of the most common issues, and a tire left stationary can develop flat spots. Next time the car is driven, a vibration may be present. In extreme cases, the flat spots may not go away when the vehicle is put back into service. In turn, a new set of rubber may be required. Seals. The seals on a vehicle are not meant to sit dry for long periods of time. A seal that hasn't been in service can fail, and depending on the location, the seal failure could cause hundreds to thousands of dollars in repairs that could have been prevented by regular use. Fuel. Even the best grade of fuel can break down in short order. Are your customers aware that fuel can develop gummy deposits that will, given time, cause fuel system issues like sticky injectors and sealed fuel pumps? Your role as a service provider is to share the benefits of regular visits to your shop. Advise them on the importance of consistent service intervals, which includes a full preventive maintenance inspection. By doing so, you'll help your customer protect their investment and avoid unneeded repairs. I'm Vic Tarasic. Thanks for watching.